Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your profile picture on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here you're gonna find your games and apps. Here in the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your game library. Right here also you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. So as you can see guys, here in the top you're gonna find games, media, and here in the right you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So in order to change your profile picture, just go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then right here you're gonna find online status, profile, trophies, switch user, and logout. Go ahead and click on profile, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find overview, games, friends, shared, and right here in the right you're gonna find online status, share profile, edit profile, and here you're gonna find some privacy settings. So go ahead and click on edit profile, and then once you do that, right here you're gonna find name, online ID, profile picture, avatar, cover image, about, and lastly languages. So just go ahead and click on profile picture, and then once you do that, right here as you can see guys, you're gonna find your avatar and also your profile picture. Then just go ahead and choose your profile picture and then click on OK. If you want to change to your avatar to display as your profile picture, just go ahead and switch it like this to avatar. And if you want to upload a profile picture, you need to use the PlayStation app or change it from the website. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.